Having a cough can be very miserable. Coughing can develop from many different elements, including a bacterial infection of the respiratory tract, asthma, pneumonia, or reflux of stomach contents. Coughing as a result of a bacterial infection or cold can be treated naturally with turmeric, black pepper, and honey. Turmeric contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. It has been used for thousands of years as a spice and medicinal herb. The most important medicinal compound in turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin is the main active ingredient in turmeric. It has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and is a very strong antioxidant. Curcumin is poorly absorbed into the bloodstream taken alone. It is better to consume black pepper with it, which contains piperin, a natural substance that enhances the absorption of curcumin. Honey has long been used as a cough suppressant. Honey has many antioxidants. It helps the body heal and recover quicker. Take a cup of water and make herbal tea by adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Boil the mixture until it reduces to 1/2 cup. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the mixture. Consume this mixture 2 times a day until the condition improves. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe.